and today my topic is green computing, and which is related to my course Contemporary Challenges for an IT Manager. Green computing, green registration, that is green ICT according to IFG, which is International Federation of the Green ICT, and IFG standard green IT or ICT manageable quality is the study and practice of naturally economical process or IT. San Marcus notes that is the one who has started the green computing, notes that this can incorporate outlining, assembling, utilizing and discarding machines, servers and related subsystems, for example screen, printers, dock plans, stock billings, gadgets and system administration, professionally and successfully with negligible or no effect on the environment. The objectives of the green figuring are like green science, lessen the utilization of dangerous materials, boot vitality, proficiency, amid the item's lifetime and push the recyclability or biodegradability of ancient times and the plant waste. Numerous administrative organs have kept on executing measures and regulations that energizing green registering. The Energy Star system was overhauled in October 2006 to incorporate stricter effectiveness necessities for the machine supplies alongside a layered positioning framework for essential products. By 2008, 26 US states built all-inclusive reusing projects for outdated machines and surplus hardware equipment. The status either force a development recuperation charge for every unit sold at retail or require the producers to recover the gear at transfer. In 2010, the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, that is ARRA, was marked into an enactment by the President Obama. The bill designed was over 900 billion to be put resources into the green activities, renewable vitality, shade matrices, vitality effectiveness, and so forth. In January 2010, the Vice Vitality Department conceded over 47 millions of ARRA cash towards ventures. That means to enhance the vitality of the product of the server farms. The activities give examinations to enhance server farm fitting and programming, enhance power, store network and servers, farm cooling technologies. Moreover, the green computing is the one which has put most of the computers to its reuse form. The computers are good to reuse because they can be, the same technology will be destroyed, not really destroyed, but they will be reused in a better way. For example, like this is an Apple iPhone. This is a very old one iPhone, and there are some stores which have put these ones their buckets so as to reuse this phone, so we can simply throw them and they can be put to reuse. This is the one of the main goal of the green computing, that is to reuse each and every part of computers and mobile and technology to be put to the reused when they are not in use for a longer time. Thank you for watching my video, that is green computing. I'll be catch you in the next video.